Number 50. ABC1 base 16 plus ABC1 base 15 equals what in base 14? Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to expand both of these out into base 10. So ABC1 base 16 will be A times 16 cubed plus B times 16 squared plus C times 16 plus 1. And then ABC1 base 15 will be A times 15 cubed plus B times 15 squared plus C times 15 plus 1. So then, if we're adding these together, this will be the same thing as A times 16 cubed plus 15 cubed plus B times 16 squared plus 15 squared plus C times 16 plus 15, and then plus 2. Also note that these letters are what happens whenever you get to numbers that are past 9. We don't really have numbers for them, so we just substitute in letters. For example, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, and then just so on. Right? So, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this into my calculator and see what number we get in base 10. So, let's see, 10 times 16 cubed plus 15 cubed plus 11 times 16 squared plus 15 squared plus 12 times 16 plus 15 and then plus 2. So we get 80,375. So 80,375. Okay, now if we want to convert this into base 14, we have to use powers of 14. So what is the biggest power of 14 that goes into 80,375? So I'm actually just going to use guess and check. Or what you can do is use the answer choices. So you know for a fact that the largest power will go in the fifth place value. So you know the largest power of 14 that will go in is just 14 to the fourth. And 14 to the fourth is 38,416. Now you can also tell from the answer choices that this is going to go in exactly 2 times because all of your choices begin with the number 2. So we take 80,375 and subtract out 2 times that. So 2 times 38,416 is 76,832. So if we subtract this, we get 3,543. Alright, so then the next step, you just keep working your way down the line. So the next power of 14 is 14 cubed, which is 2,744. And you can tell pretty easily that this only goes in 1 time, or you could actually use the exact same trick because all of these have 1 in their thousands place. So subtract this out once, so minus 2,744, and you get 799. Then the next power of 14 is 14 squared, which is 196. And 196 is around 200. It's a little bit less. And this is right near 800. So I can be pretty sure that this is going to go in about 4 times. So let's see. 4 times 196 will be 784. So it goes in 4 times. 799 minus 784 is 15. And then let's see. Next power is just 14 to the first, which is 14. And 14 goes into 15 just 1 time. Subtract that out and you get 1. And so you get a 1 for the tens place, and then a 1 for what you have left over. So we're going to get 21,411. And that's answer choice A. So for this kind of question, I would really recommend writing some sort of program for base conversion, because as you can see, this can take a lot of time if you don't know how to do it quickly. But yeah, it will be really useful. Even if you can make one just for converting numbers, even better if you know how to write one to, like, for example, add numbers and bases, because problems like this come up all the time. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with the solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.